Welcome to Golden Rest Guide. Let me start with a question that might sound uncomfortably familiar. How many nights have you lost because of constant bathroom trips? You go to bed tired, hoping for peace, but instead, your night is broken again and again. Midnight, 2 a.m., 4 a. Each time you wake, you stumble in the dark, make your way to the bathroom, and climb back into bed, only to lie awake, frustrated, waiting to drift off again. By morning, you are not rested. You are groggy, weak, and older than your years. For millions of seniors, this is not just a nuisance. It is a real health issue called nocturia. And while it feels like a prison you cannot escape, the key to freedom may be simpler than you think. Because sometimes the answer isn't a prescription, an expensive supplement, or a complicated routine. Sometimes it's a vegetable you've been ignoring all along, a vegetable as simple as celery. Celery may look like nothing more than a crunchy stalk, something you throw into soup or a salad. But inside, it carries a wealth of nutrients that can help restore balance to your body, calm your bladder, and give you back the nights of deep, uninterrupted sleep you thought were gone forever. It is rich in potassium, magnesium, antioxidants, and plant compounds called phthalates, which work together to regulate fluid balance, reduce inflammation, and relax smooth muscles, including those in your bladder and urinary tract. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Isn't celery a diuretic? Doesn't it make you pee more? The truth is, celery does encourage your body to release excess fluid. But here's the important part. It helps your body do it during the day, when it won't disturb your rest. By training your kidneys to work more efficiently while the sun is up, celery reduces the amount of excess fluid that gets dumped into your bladder at night. In simple terms, it doesn't make you pee more at night, it helps you pee less. One of the biggest culprits behind nighttime urination is sodium. Too much salt in your diet causes your body to cling to extra fluid. That fluid builds up in your legs and ankles, only to shift upward into your bladder once you lie down. Celery comes to the rescue here. It is naturally rich in potassium, the mineral that directly balances sodium. Think of sodium as the accelerator that makes your body hold water, and potassium as the brake that restores balance. Without enough potassium, sodium takes over and your bladder pays the price. By eating celery, you put the brakes back in place. Let me share a story. Harold, 74, had reached a point where he dreaded bedtime. He knew it meant 3 or 4 exhausting bathroom trips, each one stealing more rest from his night. His daughter encouraged him to start eating celery sticks in the afternoon instead of salty crackers. At first, he laughed it off, but within a few weeks, he noticed something incredible. His ankles were less swollen, his evenings felt lighter, and most importantly, his bathroom trips dropped dramatically. Instead of 3 or 4 wake-ups, he was only waking once, and sometimes not at all. For the first time in years, Harold felt like he had taken back control of his nights. Then there's Margaret, 69. She had been drinking celery juice in the morning for general health, but never realized it could help her sleep. After making celery part of her daily routine, added to salads, soups, and snacks, she noticed a clear difference. Her bladder felt calmer, her nights were less interrupted, and she woke feeling more refreshed. She said, "I never thought something so simple could give me such a gift." Celery does more than balance fluids. Its antioxidants, including apigenin and luteolin, fight inflammation in the bladder and urinary tract. For many seniors, nighttime urgency isn't only about how full the bladder island, it's about irritation. Inflammation makes your bladder send false alarms, tricking you into thinking you need to go even when it's only half full. By soothing those tissues, celery reduces the urge, calming those alarms and giving you longer stretches of undisturbed sleep. So, how do you use celery to get the benefits? The answer is timing and consistency. Eating celery during the day, especially with lunch or as an afternoon snack, is ideal. Adding it to soups, salads, or stews makes it easy to enjoy. A glass of celery juice in the morning can help your kidneys function smoothly throughout the day, but avoid drinking large amounts late in the evening. Even healthy fluids can wake your bladder if you drink them too close to bedtime. Celery works best when it helps your body process fluids earlier, leaving your nights calmer. Research supports these benefits. Nutrition experts and bladder health organizations point to celery as a bladder-friendly food. Its high potassium levels make it a natural ally in fluid balance, while its antioxidants help reduce urinary irritation. While celery is not a miracle cure, it directly addresses two of the biggest drivers of nocturia: fluid imbalance and inflammation. Of course, a word of caution is necessary. If you have kidney disease, heart conditions, or take medications that affect potassium, check with your doctor before dramatically increasing celery in your diet. Because it works with sodium and fluid balance, you need to be sure it fits safely with your health needs. For most healthy older adults, however, celery is safe, refreshing, and highly beneficial. Now, picture your nights with this simple change. You've made celery part of your daily routine. You eat it with your lunch or enjoy it as a crisp afternoon snack. By evening, your body feels lighter, your ankles less swollen, you go to bed, and instead of waking 3 or 4 times, you sleep in long, uninterrupted stretches. In the morning, you open your eyes to sunlight, feeling energized, sharp, and younger than you have in years. That's the power of a vegetable most of us have ignored. At Golden Rest Guide, we believe the simplest answers are often the most powerful. Our grandparents relied on foods like celery, not just for taste, but for health. Today, we're rediscovering that wisdom. Celery is not just a garnish on a plate. It is a natural tool for restoring balance, calming the bladder, and protecting your most precious medicine of all, sleep. Remember, this is not medical advice, but practical, science-backed information. Always speak with your healthcare provider if you have medical concerns. But for many seniors, adding celery to daily life could be the quiet solution that turns restless nights into golden rest. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to Golden Rest Guide, and share it with others who may be struggling with the same issue. And I'd love to hear from you. How old are you? And where are you watching from? I read every single comment. Together, we can build a community of support, wisdom, and health for seniors everywhere.